Meet Raj, a hardworking manager drowning in emails, endless spreadsheets, and back to back meetings. Every day, he wishes for an assistant who could think like him. One that doesn't just follow orders but actually understands his work. What if I told you AI is evolving to do exactly that? Not just answering questions like ChatGPT, but making decisions, planning tasks, and even collaborating with humans like a real assistant. So, what is Agentic AI? Unlike normal AI that waits for you to ask a question, Agentic AI can act on its own. It learns, plans, and executes tasks with minimal human input. Imagine an AI that doesn't just reply but thinks ahead. Like a self-driving car that doesn't wait for your command but navigates obstacles on its own. Tech giants like Google, OpenAI, and startups are racing to build this next-gen AI. But is it a boon or a ticking time bomb? This isn't science fiction. Big companies are already using Agentic AI to automate entire businesses. Deloitte's Zora AI is making legal decisions. EY's Agentic AI handles financial reports. AI agents in software development are writing and debugging code without human help. For businesses, this is a game changer. Productivity will skyrocket, costs will drop. But what about us? Will this AI take away jobs? This is where it gets interesting. Agentic AI doesn't just automate work, it creates opportunities. Think about how social media created influencers, or how AI has made prompt engineers a real career. The key is adopting. The best way to stay ahead. Learn to use AI before it replaces you. Agentic AI is coming faster than we think. It will change jobs, industries, and even how we work. The question isn't whether it will happen, it's how we prepare. So, do you think Agentic AI is a revolution or a risk? Let's discuss in comments.